Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Bellevue Auto Spa. A little windy out here today, so bear with me. So we're in month 7 now of this ultimate ceramic coating torture test. All the tape has come off, so I've tried writing in as best as I could. We're really getting on there. I'm thinking probably do this test for a year before throwing in the towel. I mean, I owe it to you guys. A lot of you guys sent these products in, so I appreciate that. But this hood initially was sitting like this for 4 months. The last 4 months it's been sitting in the yard upside down. Dogs jump on it. It's been knocked over a few times. Sits out in the rain. This thing gets severely neglected. So this is not representative of a real world test. Just to make note, you may see your favorite coating not doing so well, which just means that coating is not going to handle severe neglect and abuse. But you shouldn't be treating coating like that anyways. But the ones that do survive it, to me, are very impressive. So we're going to wash it. We're using Coach Chemi Reactivation Shampoo, which is an acid soap, and then we're going to be using Ryan West Industries Water Spot Remover to demineralize it, and then we'll see how it performs. So let's get it clean. You can see up there, it's been sitting upside down because it's got dirt all over it, so I'm going to rinse that off first before we wash it. So let's go ahead and get that done. You can see the initial rinse, we're not really getting anything at all as far as repellency goes. Actually, it looks like DIY 8 years starting to break through, and Seaquartz UK and SIC up there. Interesting, and those are the ones that were close to the ground. But yeah, let's get it clean. Now it's all clean, you're starting to see the coatings break through. Oh wow, that's actually pretty impressive. I'm going to wash it one more time, then we're going to hit it with the Water Spot Remover acid to get all the minerals off. Alright, so initially, I don't even know what this is anymore. That is Stark 4, I think. But yeah, you can see a lot of the coatings are still there, still surviving. Especially these over here. These are stacked coatings. FameLab, DIY Detail, Armor Detail Supply. Now something with DIY Details, I stack the 5-year on top of the 8-year. Ivan says you're supposed to put the 3-year on top of the 8-year or the 3-year on the 5-year. As some of you may know, especially those of you that follow Armor Detail Supply, I'm not the best at following instructions. But this just goes to show you can stack the 5 on the 8. It's fine. Let's get the Water Spot Remover out. Now, if you're interested, the Coach Chemi reactivation shampoo you can get on, I think you can get it on Amazon. But if you want to get a discount, I've got a discount code for Detailed Image. I don't know if it works for Coach Chemi though. Ryan West Industries only available on his site. I've got a 30% off discount code for that. Check that link in the description if you're interested. Alright, see the acid water spot remover bringing a lot of coatings back to life again. So we're going to hit it one last time with the shampoo just to make sure there's no more residue. Then we'll go in close and we'll assess one by one. Alright, a lot of things doing better. Let's go in close and look. So these top two, that's a D-Quartz Go pre-production, and then the standard release. The pre-production seems to be doing better. And over here we got C-Quartz UK and SIC. Now those are both open bottles. C-Quartz UK was open for like almost 2 years before I used it. That's impressive. And SIC not doing too bad either. I didn't stack these because the companies don't talk about stacking them. I only stacked if a company talked about it. So over here we've got Black Rhino Fat Beads, and under it is Underdog Marine. Then we got the standard Black Rhino right here, Black Rhino Optics, and Graphics. Graphics doing all right. Yeah, Underdog Marine's still doing pretty good. That one's been doing good the whole time. Under that, we got Stark. I think it is... Yeah, that's Stark Liquid Thor. Stark Repel. Liquid Thor has been doing good the whole time. Underdog Pro, not doing so great. Underdog Pro Plus, not doing so good anymore. It was doing really good for a while, but now it's starting to fall off. Stark Liquid Kraken is doing pretty good. That was Ethos Easy Peasy Plus pre-production, which didn't make it to final production because of an issue. Same with the Ceramic V2. The Ethos Graphene Max, which I think is V2, that one's doing really good. And I think that one is headed for production if it hasn't hit there already. We go below that. DOI Details 3-year. It's there. 5-year. Doing pretty good. 8, doing good. And then there's the stack. Alright, yeah, anyways, yeah. There is the DOI Detail stack. Right there. Just stop and talk for a second, sorry. Stack doing pretty good. So the stack, 8-year, 5-year doing... 5-year actually impresses me the most with its performance, but this is just one test, so... And over on the left here, we got System X, Max, Pro, and Crystal. Max is doing good. Pro is doing good. Crystal, Those were all open bottles that were sent to me, so stuff holds up over time. Rhine West Industries 9H right there. That's probably the cheapest coating in this test if you buy it from us wholesale. 7H also still doing pretty good. Looks like it's starting to bounce back a little bit. And over here we got FaneLab Ceramic V3 installer only coating, and then Ceramic V3 with overcoat V whatever, I think V2 or V3 or V4, whatever the newest one is. That stack is doing pretty good. FaneLab pretty good. Right here is Apex BC7. Not doing so hot. Armor Detail Supply Quartz, so standard consumer coating. It's there. Not doing that great. Armor Detail Supply Pro. And their installer only program, you don't have to pay them any money, which is nice. You just have to know what you're doing. So doing all right. And then Pro with quartz stacked on top of it, really good, impressive, very impressive. So I would say that's definitely the way to go if you want some really good protection from them. Go ahead and get both. And then down here we've got what was that one? That was Cerakote's original, which was garbage. They've even admitted it and have since reformulated it. That's Meguiar's M888, the new coating, not doing that great. Geon Mo's Evo, it's doing okay. I know it was a disappointment to a lot of people. Sorry about that. And then that was Gloss Revolution, I think Barrel 3. It's a coating from Puerto Rico. That one failed pretty early, but that was one of their lower level coatings. So a lot of these things I either have affiliate links for, or you can get them from like Detailed Image with a discount. But so far, 7 months in, we still got coatings holding on to some serious neglect, sitting outside in the Texas sun, yada yada. So, oh, there's a bug flying around me. Anyways, hopefully you guys have been enjoying these videos. I plan to keep on doing it for a year, and then we'll see from there. So if you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let me tell you what I think is performing the best before I let you go. I'd say Seaquartz UK, Underdog Marine, Stark, Liquid Kraken, and Liquid Thor, DIY 5.8 and the Stack. FaneLab's products I've got on here, the Rhine West products, 2 of the System X's, Armor Detail Supply Pro and their Stack definitely, and Ethos Graphene Max. Those are probably doing the best so far, but we'll see what makes it to a year, then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Keep them clean, have a good one.